The weight you're carrying isn't invisible. Are you constantly overthinking everything? Do your thoughts spiral late at night, keeping you from sleeping, replaying the past, fearing the future? You are not alone. Millions silently suffer from anxiety, but there is a beautiful solution from Allah, and it's closer than you think. Today, we'll share a powerful dua that the Prophet Muhammad, may the peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, taught us. A dua that soothes the soul, calms the heart, and silences the chaos inside your mind. Stay with me till the end, because this isn't just about words, it's about healing. The root of anxiety in Islamic context. Islam recognizes anxiety as a real human experience. Even the Prophet, may the peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, the best of creation, experienced moments of deep sadness, fear, and worry. In the cave during Hijrah, after the death of Khadijah and Abu Talib, during the battles when the odds were impossible. Yet, he turned to dua, calling on Allah with full sincerity. Anxiety isn't weakness. It's a test, and Allah never burdens a soul with more than it can bear. The powerful dua for anxiety and overthinking. Let's go straight to the heart of this topic, the dua. This is a beautiful, authentic supplication recorded in Sahih Hadith. O Allah, I seek refuge in you from anxiety and sorrow, from weakness and laziness, from cowardice and miserliness, and from the burden of debt and from being overpowered by men. This dua covers it all. Anxiety, sadness, overthinking, financial pressure, emotional overwhelm. Breaking it down, what this dua really means. Let's understand what you're really asking for in this dua. 1. These are the weights of the mind and heart. Anxiety about the future, sadness about the past. You're asking Allah to release you from them. 2. Helplessness and laziness. Sometimes we feel paralyzed, unable to act. This is you asking for the strength to move again. 3. Fear and stinginess. Because when you're anxious, fear controls you and it closes your hands, your heart. 4. The crushing feeling of debt, of being oppressed or defeated by other people or circumstances. This part asks Allah to help you rise above it. How to use this dua in your daily life. Here's how to make this dua truly transform your mind and heart. 1. Recite it after every prayer, especially far and before bed. 2. Pause at each section. Reflect on what you're asking. 3. Say it slowly from the heart. Don't rush it. Feel it. 4. Repeat it often during moments of stress, in the car, walking at work. 5. Pair it with tawakkul, trust in Allah. Make the dua, and then leave the burden with Allah. Bonus. A simple dua from the Qur'an for peace. There's another dua, straight from the Qur'an, for peace of mind. O my Lord, expand for me my chest, grant me peace of heart. Surah Taha, chapter 20, verse 25. Sometimes, all you need is inner space. When you feel suffocated by worry, make this short, powerful dua. Final reflection. Allah is closer than your fear. When you're overwhelmed and overthinking, repeat this truth. Allah is greater, greater than your anxiety, greater than the people who hurt you, greater than the future you fear, greater than the past you can't change. He knows the thoughts you don't speak. He sees the tears you hide. He is the most merciful, and he never turns away the hand that reaches for him. Find your calm with Allah. If this dua touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who's struggling with anxiety. Type, Ya Allah, give me peace in the comments to affirm your intention. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more healing Islamic content. Let this dua be your weapon. Let Allah be your peace.